Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 32 by 16 foot by 52 inch Ultra XTR pool set and maintenance kit. Uniquely designed frame combines high-quality galvanized steel with precision-engineered locking system, enhancing the overall quality, durability, and stability of the pools. Rust resistance. Encapsulating inner and outer powder coating ensures the ultimate resistance to rust. 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Includes 110 to 120 volt sand filter pump and saltwater system with a pump flow rate of 2,650 GPH, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Ready for water in 90 minutes. Product benefits. Easy maintenance with sand that only needs routine backwashing and replacing every 5 years. Quick setup means it's ready for water in 90 minutes. Laminated PVC siding with 3 separate material layers for strength and durability. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.